You know, actually, I struggle with sensitive skin. So whenever I put anything on my face, either my face would burn or it would turn into a red tomato. So does that sound familiar? अगर आपकी भी sensitive skin है, you don't know what to do, then this video is for you and you'll get to know what you should be doing for your sensitive skin. So सबसे पहले ये समझने की कोशिश करते हैं like what is sensitive skin, कैसे पता चलेगा? तो क्या होगा? Number one, your skin barrier will be thinner. Then you will have like this, you know, higher reactivity to ingredients. Even simple ingredients भी आपके skin को burn करेंगे and you'll feel like this tingling sensation even with a simple moisturizer. Then उसके अलावा you'll see a lot of redness, inflammation, and this can happen genetically also. Give it time, you develop it. So let me make a routine for you like what you can do. So morning में आपने क्या करना है? What has really helped is कि morning में don't use any kind of face washes. Just skip that. Use simple water, filtered water to wash your face. Splash your face with that, and then you pat it dry. और उसके बाद you use good amount of टोनर्स जो कि बहुत अच्छे से easy simple टोनर्स हो सकते हैं whatever you want to use. Number 3 is using a good moisturizer and that also according to your skin type. And there are so many in the market but most of them are not that effective. If you are really worried कि आपकी skin type के लिए कौन सा suit करेगा and all, I do have these amazing options from the brand Dermaco. So these moisturizers from the brand Dermaco ना इसमें क्या है? They have mainly two main actives which is niacinamide and ceramides. So ceramide will help in soothing your skin, repairing the skin barrier, and also it gives you that long lasting, you know, moisturization. And if we talk about the niacinamide, we all know that it can be really soothing and healing for your skin and also helps with other, you know, dark spot pigmentation and all of that. First, let's talk about this one. This is daily hydrating moisturizer for normal to combination skin. बहुत ही lightweight moisturizer है and the moisturization lasts up to 24 hours. It has power of niacinamide, it has ceramides. With that, it also has 1% pentavitin and 1% vitamin E and squalane for long lasting results. Next moisturizer that we have is for the oily and acne prone skin. तो ये वाला जो है, this is really lightweight for those who have acne prone sensitive skin. It really helps in balancing the sebum production और ये भी आपको long lasting, you know, hydration देता है up to 24 hours. It has panthenol, zinc, PCA and all of this manages excess sebum and unclogs your pores and prevents breakouts. Now the third one is for those people who have extremely dry skin, बहुत ही dry skin है आपकी, mature skin है and all of that. You can try this one. This is again having very nice thick moisturization, long lasting hydration, and the hydration is lasting up to 72 hours. Can you believe that? And with that your skin will feel smooth, replenished. Along with that it has the power of, जैसे मैंने कहा, niacinamide और ceramides तो इसमें है ही है. उसके अलावा इसमें यूरिया भी है, लिपिड्स भी हैं और it also has oat extracts for deep moisturization and gentle exfoliation also. Every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. Dermaco has empowered 20,000 plus students till date with the Young Scientist Initiative. You can buy these moisturizers from the link that I will be giving you in the description box. You can use my code RJ20 for 20% off on their website, and they're also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple. Moving on to the next thing is that जब आप SPF की बात करते हैं तो सनस्क्रीन तो आपको लगानी है, but make sure that you're not using like these chemical sunscreens. Switch to mineral sunscreens. They don't irritate the sensitive skin. तो आपको जो आराम से, you know, वो भी मिल जाएगा protection, but your skin won't be irritated. For that, you can be looking for zinc oxide or titanium dioxide वाली sunscreens. ठीक है. Now coming to the evening routine, what you have to do here again, double cleansing करें आप. Use a simple oil. Don't use very harsh or fragranced cleansing oil or something like that. Use simple cleansers and then you can be using a very mild gentle cleanser again. ठीक है. Now number 2, when we talk about some serum or something you want to apply, you can apply hyaluronic acid, you could be applying niacinamide, you can be applying centella asiatica, you can be using panthenol, but don't use any actives like vitamin C, retinol and all. Then again for moisturizer, you can be using the Dermaco के moisturizers which work amazing. Now what to avoid, जो आपने बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, तो physical scrubbing नहीं करनी है when you have sensitive skin. Then don't use, you know, a lot of alcohol based products like toners and all. Essential oil से भी दूर रहें, and then you don't use very high concentration actives. Stay away from highly fragranced products और हॉट वाटर से भी आपको दूर रहना चाहिए. डोंट यूज़ वेरी हॉट वाटर ऑन योर फेस. ठीक है. And then whenever you are buying new products, or if you're thinking that I'm going to try this one, always do patch test or minimum ingredients I've used kare. Give your skin break, do skin fasting, and that way your skin will heal, and then eventually आप जो है actives use करना शुरू कर सकते हो in your skincare routine. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you found it helpful. If you still have any questions, do feel free to comment below. I would love to answer those. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.